Hey everybody, it is Extended Tertian Chords video 5. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 flat 13. If you take a look at the guide I posted on Moodle, it's example 4. The 5 flat 13 is just like the 5 13 in that we use a root, 3rd, 7th, and 13th. But the 13th is now a minor 13th above the bass note, or compound minor 6th. It happens most often in minor keys. It can happen in major. But in minor, it would be so, ti, we would have fa, and then may as the most extended note. It sounds like this in isolation. And if we resolve that to a minor tonic, it sounds like this. The may goes to do. Many times composers will have it go through re. Something like that. Take a look now at score example 4. This is an excerpt from the end of a prelude by Chopin in C minor. This excerpt is actually an excellent one to study. It has many of the chords we have studied to date, including an augmented sixth and a Neapolitan. It also uses the descending tetrachord bass line, so lots of bang for your buck with this one. In fact, if I were very clever, I would probably put it on the final exam. And if you were clever, you'd probably study it for the final exam. Hint, hint, wink, wink. At any rate, I've chosen this example because the 5 flat 13 happens at the cadence here at the end of the piece. Notice that we're in the key of C minor. G is the bass note of the 5 flat 13, and then may in the key is this E flat. Notice, even though we call it the 5 flat 13, we're not lowering that most extended note because it's already lowered in a minor key. So here is the example, score example 4, Chopin's Prelude 20, the last phrase. So that, my friends, is the down and dirty, quick, nitty gritty of the 5 flat 13. Stay with me and we'll talk about the 511 in a bit.